Hi, let's explore how to create a request for a maintenance project. This is the splash screen with a little bit of information about the maintenance program and a link to the maintenance work plan. That information is available in the About widget here after the splash screen is closed. You can navigate the map through the address and location search, put in an intersection or a park or an address and jump to that. Or if you know the name of the stream you'd like to request a project on, you can come down here to the stream search, this orange button, enter the name of the stream or a portion of the name, and click apply to jump to the stream. And you might notice that there are several layers turned on here. These are for reference. These are different types of projects that have come through the district. The pink lines, points, and polygons are projects that went through our development review program and have received final acceptance for maintenance eligibility. The blue dashed and red polygon lines and polygons are for the routine maintenance program for trash and debris removal and vegetation management. And the bright green lines are district construction projects. So any reach that's covered by one of those layers is eligible, and other reaches that are not covered may be eligible, but we need to do a little more digging to determine that. So these layers can be a little bit busy, and if you'd like to turn them off, you can click this gray button down here and uncheck them in the layer control. And then you've got a clean screen, or leave them on. That's fine too. So if you'd like to create a request, you want to zoom in to the project location. Let's look at this section of Big Dry Creek and grab this orange line here in the Smart Editor and start drawing a line. Just clicking along. This can be really rough. It doesn't have to be perfect. What we're looking for is that reach and to know where the project starts and ends. And when you're ready to complete that line, double click and you'll get this teal colored line that's showing that that project is selected. And then here in the Smart Editor, we've got the form fields. If they are red with asterisks, they're required. So let us know the community that you are representing, the contact name, contact email, what priority the project is for your community, and any notes about priority or other priorities that you want to add. Indicate what type of work is included here, whether it's sediment removal or stream stabilization, and any combination there. And if you'd like to add something that's not listed, you can do that in this box here. And this box is required, but if you change any one of these work types to yes, then it is no longer required. Indicate how that reach became maintenance eligible and what type of right-of-way you have. Let us know if the project is a new district project or continuing with additional funding. And then how much funding is being requested for 2019 and what the total expected project cost is. Add any general notes that you'd like to, and please attach any pages from a report that show a maintenance plan for that reach if you have that. Any photos, problem photos would be great here too. And once all of the required fields have been populated, the Save button will be enabled and you can click Save. And And that's all you need to do. Thank you.